Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. In this session, we are going to discuss about different types of data types available in Java. Let's check it so all the data types available in Java, data type name and then default size and then default value, and if there are any other nodes, so we have provided here So there are multiple data types available here. The main purpose of data type is what kind of data we need to declare it before we start using them actually. Integer which requires 4 bytes and default value is 0. Character 2 bytes, and this is the notation actually by default, so it will just get printed and actually empty actually. Okay, this is only due to the reason that the Java uses the Unicode system. The notation is the lowest range of the Unicode system, and it is the default value of the character data type actually. Okay, so even though the notation is this one, it will just get printed like empty actually. We'll see that in the real time actually. Okay, byte occupies 1 byte, okay, which is 8 bits, and default value is 0. Long 8 bytes, and then this is the notation actual default value 0l, and float, it is 4 bytes and 0.0f actually. Double 8 bytes 0.0d, and boolean so 1 bit actually, and which occupies by default false. Okay, if you want we can also declare the string data type also. So by default it will get printed the false actually. Okay, I mean sorry, not false, it is null actually. Okay, we'll check all these features in Eclipse tool. This is okay. Let me just create one class for this one. Okay, data types, demo. Okay, for this one assume that so I will get confused where I need to declare the variables, whether I need to declare the variables, I mean inside the class or inside the method. So if you have any doubts in this one, so let me just repeat this. Okay, the variables which are declared outside the method and inside the class, this is the place, okay, are called, I mean instance variables. Okay, the variables which are declared inside the method here. Okay, so we need to call them as local variables. If I declare the variables here also, so they are called instance variables since we are declaring them outside the method. So I have done one more video for different types of variables. I'll ping the link in video description. Please refer them for more details. Okay, as of now, so for instance variables, there are some default values as we discussed here. Okay, default values are there. Okay, so if so local variables means we need to assign some values obviously, otherwise we will not get use them. Okay, we will get compile time error. Let's just check it actually. Okay, integer I. Okay, I'm not declaring any value here. Okay, now character C I'm just creating, and then byte B. Okay, and then float F. Okay, double D. Okay, and long. Okay, L I'm just giving it. Now character, right? Sorry, this is the character. Okay, now boolean, just B2 you can give it. Okay, and string also you can give str. Okay, let's check it. Let's try to print the same values here and see whether it will allow or not. I. Okay, see here, if we put the cursor here, see here, cannot make a static reference to non-static field because all these variables are non-static variables or non-static fields actually. We cannot access them directly inside the static method. Okay, so for that what we need to do is, okay, either we can make it these variables as static, or we can create the object and then try to access it actually. Okay, this is the demo. Okay, and then creating a new using operator actually here. Okay, so now I am trying to access it. Okay, demo. Okay, dot I. So in this way we can access it. Okay, let's try to print some value here. Okay, the integer value is this one. Okay, now just print it using this concatenation. We need to just give it. Okay, so now you can print the other variables also, same thing. Okay, so here int value, right? Similar way, character value. Okay, character value is this one, so you need to just access C actually. Instead of this one, you need to access C. Okay, and the third one is byte value. Byte value is here, you need to give B. Okay, so next one is float value. Okay, float value is F, you need to give it. Okay, by using object reference, we are just accessing all the variables. And then D, this is double value, just D. Okay, and next one is long value. Okay, long value is need to give L, and next value is boolean. Okay, boolean value is this one, so we need to give B2. Okay, and last one is string value. String value is just str. Let's try to run it and see the output. See here, integer value by default it is 0, character value is empty, byte value is 0, float value is 0.0, double value is 0.0, long value is 0, boolean value by default it is false as we discussed, and string value is null actually. If you are not assigning any value to the string, by default, like in a compiler will assign some value which is null actually. This is how, like, so we need to just declare the different data types, and we can use it actually without assigning any values for the instance variables. But whereas if I declare some values here, for example, see here, assume that I'm declaring some values here. Okay, integer. Okay, yeah. See here, I will get, see here, like try to just print the value of this one, yeah. Okay, see, you will get the compile time error. The local variables may not have been initialized. Okay, if we are using it, okay, we have to just assign it some value. We need to assign it, otherwise we will not, like, use it actually. So this one is the local variable value. See here, the local variable value is okay. So now just I'm printing this one. Let's use this concatenation operator, and now let's try to run it. Okay, the local variable value is 100. Okay, so we need to assign some value before they use it actually. Okay, this is all about, like, different data types available in Java. Please practice it, like, so, and check all the different types of data and assign some values, and just check it, actually you get fair idea. Okay, please like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel for more information. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.